I think the most common problem is the loud noise. Another is some people tend to bitch around you in front of others. Some neighbors have a dog who is barking the whole night, which creates a disturbance. Some because of problems people have with their neighbors. Neighbors, I believe, like a family, always ready to have you in any emergency and give emotional support. One more thing is that neighbor is a friend with whom you can share your feelings which you are hesitating to share with your family member. Definitely, yes. The best part of my community is that we all belong to different religions and respect each other. We not only celebrate all festivals together, but always handle any situation also. So I think it is a perfect place to grow up a child. Yes, I know very well, as I live in a small village where people spend their free time with friends and neighbors.